This is Razer Viper Ultimate Review. There is a reason why both casual and hardcore gamers gravitate toward the Razer brand, after all, and it is not just its attractive packaging and black and green themes. For $149/£149/249 Australian dollars, the Razer Viper Ultimate is quite a price, no matter how svelte it is. To put this into perspective, it competes with the $119/£114/169 SteelSeries rival 650. Razer has clearly outdone itself with the Viper Ultimate. It is a slim, yet sturdy, ambidextrous mouse that is almost as responsive as your regular wired mouse. It is lightweight but somehow feels like a tank, albeit an amazingly light one. It does not have weights or any way to adjust how its weight feels in your hand, but if you don't mind that, it's still an excellent choice, especially given how smooth and responsive it feels to use. It features a brushed black matte exterior with the Razer logo where your palm rests. It is constructed from a slick but grippy plastic on both sides, while the scroll wheel is smooth and responsive, though it is slightly stronger than most other models. Furthermore, its ergonomic shape makes it ideal for users who spend all day on the computer. You can change between left and right-handed use in the Synapse software. As usual, Razer's proprietary software is extremely easy to use, allowing you to tweak the color of the Razer logo on the mouse, as well as the hue with which your charging cradle glows when it is nearly full. Unfortunately, it does tend to lack in one area: the amount of configurable buttons. You have left and right click buttons, a scroll wheel and 2 programmable buttons on both ends. This isn't ideal for anyone who plays games that require macros or other capabilities beyond those 4, but it's perfectly adequate for just about anyone else. Fortunately, the buttons were precise and satisfying to press. It is capable of 20,000 dpi/cpi, which is an extremely impressive figure. A tracking speed of 650 inches per second ensures that the mouse can keep up with your movements on the screen. $149/£149/249 Australian dollars is a high price to pay, but you get what you pay for here. It is true you can get a comparable and serviceable mouse for less, but the Viper Ultimate excels in terms of responsiveness, visually appealing, build quality, and battery life. Other than that, it will take some convincing to convince anyone to pull the trigger, but if they do so, they will receive one of the best wireless gaming mice available right now, especially among Razer's lineup.